Hey, welcome back to the series of Principles of Management. In the last video, we learned about FOIL 14 Principles of Management. In this, we learn about difference between unity of command and unity of direction. It's a very quick video. By the way, this is OBC Online Business Class. If you are still not subscribed, please consider it. It means a lot for us. Okay, let's start with a difference between unity of command and unity of direction. Wait, probably you are all right now like, hey, just a second. Did you just said unity of command and unity of direction? This has been explained in 14 Principles of Management in the last class. Then why again with the same point? Because these points are very important for exam. They may ask for the 2 marks and 4 marks. Let me clear even more about this so that you can explain more in exam. In today's topic, we'll learn about unity of command, unity of directions, meaning its aims and its implementation. The first category based on meaning in unity of command, the subordinate should receive order from one and should be responsible to one superior. In unity of direction, every group must be headed to one plan or one objective. In the category of aim, it prevents dual subordination. That basically means eliminating the dual leadership. In unity of direction, it just prevents overlapping activity, that means unnecessary work or repetition of work. The third category, implementation. It usually affects individual employees, but in unity of direction, it usually affects entire organization. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe to our channel. Click here to watch the next video, which is on FOIL versus Taylor comparison, or go back and watch 14 Principles of Management.